Hello students, topic for today's lecture is exceptions to the general rule of nullity of minority contract कि क्या exception है, क्या general rule है minor people के लिए, minor contract के लिए. अब who is a minor? Minor is a person who is below 18 years of age. He or she has not attained the age of majority. उसकी 18 years of age complete नहीं हुई है, right? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अबाउट बेनिफिशियल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की माइनर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए क्या क्या एक्सेप्शन है. उनमें से एक एक्सेप्शन is beneficial contract. A minor is allowed to enforce a contract which is of some benefit to him and under which no liability is there on him. जो एक beneficial contract क्या है कि एक्चुअल में contract में minors are not allowed to enter into agreement, but in beneficial contract what happens actually, a minor is having a right, he is allowed to enforce a contract, he is allowed to enter into a contract in which he is getting some extra benefit. Like minor is benefited, but upon him no liability should be there. He should have no liability. He is not liable for anything that will happen in the contract. He will only get the benefit in during the course of a particular contract. Done. Then there was a case, Raghava Chayran versus Srinivasava. In this what happened, a mortgage was executed in favor of a minor. एक mortgage जो है वो minor के favor में execute की गई. Who had advanced the whole of the mortgage money? Done. The question arose, क्या question arose हुआ that whether the mortgage executed in the favor of a minor was enforceable by the minor or by the ursar person on his behalf. Question ये arose हुआ कि जो mortgage execute की गई थी minor के favor में वो minor के through enforceable है या किसी और person के through उसके behalf पे, that is on the behalf of a minor. Done. Then the opinion of the full bench was the transaction was enforceable by or on of the behalf of the minor. फुल बेंच ने क्या कहा कि जो ट्रांजैक्शन है वो किसके थ्रू इन्फोर्सेबल है, वो इन्फोर्सेबल बाय और ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द माइनर. ठीक है. देन चीफ जस्टिस वॉलिस सेड दैट द प्रोविजंस ऑफ द लॉ की जो लॉ के प्रोविजंस हैं विच रेंडर्स माइनर इनकम्पेंट, जो रेंडर करते हैं माइनर को टू बाइंड देमसेल्फ बाय कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वॉज इनैक्टेड इन देयर फेवर एंड फॉर देयर प्रोटेक्शन. कि जो माइनर को वो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं वो उन्हीं के फेवर में और उनके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए ही लाए गए. एंड it would be a strange consequence of this legislation if they are to take nothing under transfers in consideration of which they have parted with their money. ठीक है. Then supply of necessaries. In this what happened, necessaries include articles necessary to support life and without which an individual cannot reasonably exist. It basically includes the basic necessities of an individual that without which it is difficult for an individual to exist. Done. Then section 68 of the act. What does section 68 of the act imply? Section 68 of the act provides for the liability for the necessaries supplied to the person incompetent to the contract. Done. Then what are the claim for necessaries supplied to a person who is incapable of contracting or on his account? This will include the claims which has been supplied to a person who is incapable to enter into a contract. In this what happened, if a person incapable of entering into a contract, a person who is incapable of entering into a contract or any person who is legally bound to support is supplied by another person with the basic necessaries which are being required in his life. Done. Then the person who has furnished such supplies is entitled to be reimbursed from the property of such incapable person, that he has the right to be entitled to be reimbursed from the property of that person who is not capable. Now there is a case, Chaple versus Annie Cooperson explained the meaning of the term necessary, that things which are necessary without which an individual cannot exist is said as necessaries. Now moreover, the liability of is that only a minor state and not personal. Done. Now, in this lecture, we studied about who is a minor, what are the basic essential that we all know that minor is not allowed to enter into a contract, but in such exceptions he is allowed. He'll only be benefited, and any liability that is there in the contract would, in this, minor would not be liable to pay that liability. Done? Thank you.